Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. Alan David Daly here. Don't forget to click like and subscribe if you like the channel, and you get notifications straight away on all the new videos as they go up in the channel. Today we're going to have a look at drum beats in Cubase, and we're going to have a look at swing and how to make your drum beat groove in Cubase. First thing we're going to do today is we're going to make a drum beat, and I just have opened up a channel here. This is Groove Agent. And if I just show you, I've just opened up this one here on Dance Music, just House Kit. And if I play it, you'll hear it's loaded up. So we can close this. What we want to do now is to make a 16 beat. I'm just going to get the pencil and I'm just going to draw in 2 bars. And now we're just going to click on the beat. Down the bottom here in the editor, what we want to do is go down to drum editor. If I just make this bigger, you can see it. And this is our drum editor. If we go up and we get the drumstick, we can draw in beats. What we want to do is on the 1 and the 3 beat, we're going to add in a kick drum. And then on the snare, we're going to add in on the 2 and on the 4. We're going to add in a hat. So this is the drum beat that we have. I play it. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to go up to the bass drum and we're going to add in some extra notes. We're going to add a note in here, and we're also going to add a note in here. Then we're going to go up, we're going to double this up. We're going to get our glue tool and we're going to glue the 2 parts together. Now if we listen to it, what we can do to this beat now is we can add swing to it, and this will give it a more of a groove feel, and you'll actually see it as I change it. You'll see it down here. You'll see it changing. If I go onto the drum editor, I'm going to open up this zone over here. If I click on this, open quantize, and I click on apply quantize. Up here we have quantize swing, and we can change this from 0 to 100, and it'll change the swing of the track. If I press play and you watch the lower zone as I change it, and you'll also hear it. And that's a big difference from what it was. You can also go in and change this. You can click on it and press in 0. This is without. And now we just put it up to 100. So you can see the difference. Now listen to the beat. So there you go, folks. Thanks for watching, and that's how you put a swing and make your drum beats groove. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. For myself, Alan David Daly. All the best. Take care of yourself.